Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of being here, you're welcome. My name is Rhema. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys on how I prepare this delicious ogbono and okra soup. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Stay tuned as we'll be taking it step by step. Here I've got assorted meat, already washed and clean. This is OKPOMO I'll be adding to this soup. I've already parboiled it and it's soft. Also, I have 2 roasted mackerel fish, dried fish for flavor, Ogbono seed. This is the ogbono I'll be using for this recipe. Palm oil, crayfish, salt, onion, seasoning cubes, scotch bonnet and frozen spinach. Now first of all, I will put the meat to a boil. Into a clean pot, I've added the meat. Into it, I'll add seasoning cubes, chopped onion, scotch bonnet, and some salt. Now I'll give this a proper stir and cover it to cook without adding water for 10 minutes. So as the meat is boiling, I'll be blending the ogbono seed. So using a strong blender, I'll blend this on a high speed until it is very smooth. So at this point, I have achieved the right texture. So this is how I sliced my okra. You can as well use already sliced okra, but I prefer using fresh okra whenever I am cooking, as far as fresh okra is available. Also, I will slice the frozen spinach because this is a whole leaf spinach, though it is frozen. I will slice this and set it aside as well. So to the fish, I will just remove the head and try as much as I can to debone it without piecing it entirely, because my children will be eating this soup, so I will just take my time and debone the fish. Now after the meat has boiled for 10 minutes, I will add water to it. Water that will be enough to make the soup. I'll cover it to boil. Here is the blended ogbono. Now I'll dissolve the blended ogbono in warm oil. I've heated my pan and into it I've added the whole oil for this soup. Into it, I've also added the blended ogbono. I'll give this a stir until the whole ogbono is properly dissolved. Remember to turn off your gas because we are not frying this. I will set this aside while I continue. As the meat has started boiling, I will add the dissolved ogbono. I'll give this a stir and cover it to boil. Now the ogbono has started boiling. I'll give it a stir and add the rest of the ingredients. The remaining seasoning cubes, the dried fish, roasted mackerel fish, the parboiled okpomo, that is cow skin, and finally the grinded crayfish. I'll just give this a stir and cover it to continue cooking. At this point, I'll be cooking it on a very low heat to avoid getting burnt. Now after it has boiled for some time, I'll just give it a stir to avoid getting burnt. I'll check the salt, and into this I'll be adding some warm water. I'll just cover it to boil because of the water I added. Now I'll be adding the okra and the spinach. So because it's a frozen spinach, I'll be adding both at once because I want the okra and the spinach to be fresh. So once I add the spinach, I will give it a gentle stir and cover this to cook for just 2 minutes. Now after the okra and spinach has cooked for 2 minutes, the soup is ready to be served. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and watching till the end. Please, if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it with family and friends. This is it, very yummy and delicious. Thank you once more, I really appreciate. Please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos. Remain blessed and see you all in my next video. Bye bye.